Hi, I'm Christian Roman from Philippines, 44 years old, married, and I have 3 children. I worked in Hong Kong before for about 4 years in a Chinese family. I taking care of 2 children when my employers are working, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning the house, cooking is one of my priorities I do. I love baking. Baking is my passion. So that's why I want to improve, especially my cooking. I love pets and cat. I really love dogs, especially cats, and there is nothing to worry if my employer have any pets in the house. I really love any pets. If I'm the one of those who will be hired, I will make sure that I will do everything to serve my employer, and I will further improve my ability to work as domestic helper. Thank you and God bless.